Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be covering standard files in Python. Guys, I have uploaded a complete Python programming subject tutorials. I will provide link in description, you can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. There are generally three types of standard files that we can use in our program. They are standard input, standard output and standard error. Standard input is nothing but whatever the data that we give by using keyboard, we call the data as standard input. Standard output is nothing but whatever the data that is displayed on my monitor, we call the data as standard output. If program is successfully executed, then we will get output as standard output. Next I will explain what is standard error. Whatever the error message that is displayed by monitor, then we call that error message as standard error. This standard input, output and error are located in sys module. So in order to use these standard files, at first we need to import sys module. These are various types of objects that are present in sys module. First one is sys.stdin, that is nothing but standard input. So write here sys, that is nothing but system module. stdin, nothing but standard input. For example, if you want to give any input, then we can use input function. So this stdin is same like input function. In order to give any input, then we use sys.stdin. This stdout and stderr both are same like print function. In order to display output, we use stdout and stderr. I will give an example so that you can clearly understand what is use of this stdin, stdout and stderr. And in order to use this standard files, first we need to import sys module. So it first write here import sys. I already said before, stdin is same like input function. In order to give input, we use stdin. Normally we will give input like a equal to int of input of enter number. So just same like that, write here a equal to int is nothing but I want to enter only integer value. So I took here int of sys.stdin. So just write here dot, I want to read input. So I took here read line. By using this sys.stdin.read line, we can enter any input. That too we can enter only integer value because I took here function int. So in input function we can give data like enter number. But whereas in stdin, we cannot give any information inside these brackets. If you give any information like enter number inside this, it will display error. And next right here print a. And this print function is used to display output. For example, if I enter value 10, print function will display output 10. For example, if I enter 20, so print function will display output 20. This is use of sys.stdin. For stdin, we use readline method. And next I will explain what is use of stdout. At first you need to import sys module. So write here import sys. This stdout is same like print function. So just write here sys, where this is module name dot stdout. I want to write data. So you need to use your write method. Inside write I am writing hello. This same like print function. So instead of writing print hello, I written here sys.stdout.write hello. So it will display hello. Next I will explain what is use of stderr. That is nothing but standard error. After importing sys, just write here sys.stderr.write. I want to display output. So just write here write. Inside write I am writing text. You can give any text. For example, I written here error. So whenever you run this line of code, you will get output error. You will get output in red color. And for stdin, we need to use readlines method. And whereas for stdout and stderr, we need to use write method. This is one more example. Here at first I written import sys. Next I written here sys.stdout.write. Inside this I written enter first number. So whenever you run this line of code, you will get output enter number. Next I written a equal to int of sys.stdin.readline. Whenever you run this line of code, you can enter any number. So you will get output enter first number, and here you can enter any number. For example, if I enter 1, it should display error message. That is in red color. So I written here if a double equal to 1 colon, inside this I written sys.stderr, that is nothing but standard error dot write. Inside this I written error. For example, if I enter value 1, I will get error message. And next else, if I enter any other values like 2, 3, so on, I should get output no error. So inside else I written sys.stdout.write no error. For example, if I enter 1, I will get output error. For example, if I enter 5, then I will get output no error. This is use of sys module. Standard files are classified into three types. They are stdin in order to enter input and stdout and stderr in order to generate output.